me, Juice Master. Yeah. It's me, Epic Boxer. Here's more. Let's go, Trey, baby. Woo-hoo. Charge. And yeah.
And then go rolling back to Papa Bear. According to my schedule, Griffin wants to hear the new song for the new album tomorrow. And there's just one tiny thing we're missing. The new song. But did you have to show them? Yeah. Maybe not. Get the dogs out here so we can settle this.
Do it.
Be nice and muscle. I take back together your demands, and if anytime Moose agrees to get back in the studio, right now, I will stop most of the shocking. Your other demands? Your other demands are ridiculous.
I don't need to go. Oh my God!
I'm scared of you.
Come on.
Tomorrow, Andy, which means just tell Griffin it's you dogs. You can be threatening too. Show him.
Let's go, try back. Yeah, it's me. Better get ready for new videos. Woo! I'm gonna schedule once I got more subscribers. More subscribers and more views on my videos. So, in the words of my sexy,